Hello, my name is Jillian Zinn, and I'm going to tell you about when I went vegetarian for 2 weeks.
These are some of the non-vegetarian foods I ate, some of these being a bagel with some turkey sausage and lots of chicken. And now we're moving on to just some of the vegetarian items I ate. This involved lots of mac and cheese, protein bars, and eggs. The difference with vegetarianism and veganism is vegetarians can still have the byproducts from animals, they just can't have the actual animal themselves, which makes this slightly easier for me. Another bagel. This is me plotting my baseline data and my experiment data. As you can see, my baseline data is going to be the full bars, and then the pink lines are going to represent my challenge data. So it's going to go straight to a 0. And now I am plotting week 2 of the same thing. So I'm just making it a little bit easier on myself so I don't have to measure out while I draw it. And same concept, the bars are the baseline and the pink lines are the challenge. There were 2 days out of the 2 weeks where I was actually full vegetarian, even without the challenge. Now I'm doing the math to see how much meat I actually ate in the 2 weeks, which was about 58 ounces of meat in 2 weeks. So I'm taking that data and I'm seeing how much meat that would have been over the course of a full year, which was 94.25 pounds per year, which is compared to the 222.2 pounds per year for the average American. This graph is from the USDA that shows the pounds per person of what kind of meat they purchased in 2019 and 2018. As you can see, broilers is one of the top ones, and those are chickens grown just for eating. And according to the USDA, Americans will have ate about 100.8 kilos of red meat and poultry in 2018. Cattle produces 37% of the globe's methane emissions, and the average cow produces between 70 and 128 kilograms of methane per year. Short-term gas emissions will come from cows that are the most harmful greenhouse gases, but if you look in the long term, cars create the worst greenhouse gases for the globe. And then going vegetarian would save large amounts of water and avoid more pollutions of our water sources, such as rivers, lakes, and oceans.
I know. What is one college kid who is obsessed with Chick-fil-A? What is one college kid going to do to make such a large environmental impact on people going vegetarian? Not much. I'll be honest with you. Not much. But what I can do is I can give you those facts, and I can tell you that even though my impact can be small, if we look at this on a more global scale, we can look at it in just our country. The fact that greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane can be cut in half, that should speak for you, and you should just cut out all meat. Granted, I know that's difficult. Cut out beef. Cut out eating anything that is not chicken or fish. Cut out eating things that you don't need. You can live without a burger. They make turkey burgers. They make veggie burgers. Apparently, Burger King or McDonald's or something has this Beyond Meat burger. What? It's a plant-based burger that tastes like beef. Just saying. Lastly, before I sign off here, I would encourage anybody and everybody to at least cut beef and sheep and pork out of their diet. To try to just go down to white meats or to fish and chicken. Because of the facts that we learned earlier in the video that cattle produces 39% of methane. That's insane. And then just to know that beef isn't even all that good for you, that kind of is just, it ties hand in hand. Like, you just shouldn't have beef. It's not good for you, and it's not good for the globe. Take care of you, take care of your earth. And that's all, and I'm signing off. Thank you.